Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Node Math. Something that's been bothering me lately with this channel, as I've been starting it off, is leaving sort of a dust trail of fallen games in my wake. Now, that's, how it's going to be. I don't like to finish. I don't generally care about finishing stuff. When I stop working, I come home, I just want to play a game. I don't really think about what I've done. I think about what sounds good. So that's going to keep happening. But I want to make an attempt to try and go back and sort of finish off some of my series just so I can leave more complete pictures behind me. So this is Node Math. This is the first game that fell victim to my... Okay, we're going to immediately turn off the hints. And I'm going to do this. We're going to do... Is it this? No, not that. What's the copy? Yeah, that. Oh, you know what? No. It's been a while, hasn't it? Okay, let's just see. Let's see what we're doing here. I want to do this. I want to do this. There we go. That's what I want. And that should get us level 1 here. I do want to see where this goes. One of the biggest comments that I've gotten on my whole channel is about how these extra sections work, so I want to set the record straight on that. Let's see, we go like this, we go like this. No, is it just this? It is. Oh, let's go like that. There we go. Level 2. Easy. Okay. Let's see. Level 3 here. We got... Man, it's been a while. I do want to see where this goes if it gets, like, really crazy. I think you could just use one of these, right? Yeah. And then we can go like that, like that, like that. Okay, so 3 should be no problem. Boom, got it. And we delete it, and we do another row of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're going to use several pluses here just to make it easier to set up. There we go. Nope. Yeah, the clicking and dragging is still very sensitive in this. There we go. There we go. Go like that. Should be good to go. I don't imagine this will take very long. But yeah, I'm gonna make more cuts. It's still a slow game, so we're not gonna watch all of it. But I do want to get into the part where I can start buying stuff. So multiply, yes, we want to be able to multiply, but we only have ones, so multiplying ones isn't really a good idea. Let's see if we can get another section. So we'll go like that, and I'll go like this. Just keep making that. I do want to get the 2s to make the 8 easier, so I'm not sitting here adding 8 ones together. There we go. Now we have the 2. So let's get rid of one of these and replace it with a 2 times 2 times 2. And I think like that. Nope. Okay. Like that, and then we can grab the whole thing, and we can make another one just to get this level done quick. Yeah, so these things are useful sometimes. There we go. Okay, so we got that. Let's get rid of this because I want to do it better. Let's do our 2 cubed once again. And then we will do here. Okay, we want another set of that. I haven't hooked it up to the equal sign yet. Boom, boom. Okay. And that should, let's see, is that enough? 3.4, 4, do I hear 5? Do I hear 6? Yeah, that's fine. Okay, so let's do, no, not that. Let's do this. 2, 2, 2, 2. And we will make 16 with 2 hypercubed. Do I have enough space, actually? That's a good question. Okay, well, I have these now, so I can, let's throw it there. Okay, yeah. Don't, I said no tutorials, though, right? Can I, okay. Can I have no tutorials, though? Okay. So we don't have enough for 16. So how do we make 16? We need to get 4 into 4. We can get, here, 2 into 2 into that, into this. Yeah. And then, well, I kind of don't want that because don't I want to use this cross thing to get out? I suppose it's fine. I can go like that and that. There we go. And then I just need a string of 2s. Let's do that, I think. Like that. And then I could put a 2 here, linked there. And then I could go like this and go like that. Oh. There we go. Okay, we do have another cell. I'm going to put it down here. We are getting enough. There we go. Okay. Delete it. Delete all of it. Okay, we have our equation now. If you haven't seen this, it looks crazy, but it's not so bad. So A is here. It's currently 0. Plus L level. All right, so level 7 squared is 49. Times B, which is 1, so 49. To the raised to the 1 plus C, which is 0, times 0.1. So we don't have any exponent, really. That's just to the 1. And so all we're getting is 49 per, yeah, you can see 49 here. So we can add to these numbers. Now, A is the cheapest, but it also does the least. It increments by 1. If we go with B, we're actually multiplying by 2, so we're actually getting double. And if we go to C, we're raising it to the 1 plus 0.1 exponent, which does some real work as we get the number bigger. So let's start working on, let's see, 22. Well, let's start with 16, because we know what that is. We know how to do that. And then we'll see about 22. There we go. Okay, and then we go like this. Nope. And then we can go like this. Should be done there. And we can go with another one. There we go. That might be enough. We have one of these bracket things, so we're going to go there like that. I think you can change these at some point. I'm not sure, but we'll stack them up. At the very least, we can use the border here for extra space. I'm not going to buy... Well, maybe I should buy a couple of A's. Those will help, you know. Okay, 22. Can I do 22 without 3? Let's think. So I can get to... 2... I'm trying to get to... So I can do 8. I get to 16. I can get to... Well, actually, maybe I could do better with this section down here. So I can't get to 22. 7 times 3 is 21, plus 1 is 22. Can I get to 7? 5. 4. Kind of. I can kind of do it. I can use everything. And no, hold on. 2 plus 2 is 4. Let's do... If I go 1 times 4 is 4. Do I use the crossover right now? So the thing is, I'm taking this up. That's going to be 20. There we go. I can go like that. 4. I think I do use it. 4 plus 1. Can I go across like that? I can. Yes. 7. 7 times 3 plus 1. Yeah, there we go. Okay. All right. So now we draw the ones. You can go like this all around the shop. Let's just see if that's enough. It might be. Oh, and I get a quiz. Let's do the quiz. Let's do the quizzes up. So I can go like this, and I can say 2. That. There we go. 53,000. We can get the 3 now. Great, but we don't even need it because we're getting so many 22s. And if we need more, we can always just add more 1s. So this is great. Come on, keep going, keep going. Come on, come on, come on. I got it, okay. Thought you were slick, you're not slick. Okay. 30. Well, 30 is pretty simple. It's 3 times 2 is 6, plus 3 plus... Or, sorry. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 plus 2 is 5. Multiply 6 and 5, you get 30. There we go. Okay. Okay. Let's keep going. Let's do another set of that. And the shape of 25 is going to be almost identical. I don't know if we have enough. Let's run a third one. Now, I could go for... Okay, so let's try 20. So we want that. Let's actually move it over so it's half off. 2, 3, 2, 3. Okay. 2 plus 3 times 2 plus 3. So 5 times 5. There we go. That gets us 25. And then we can run several of these columns in addition to trying to figure it out for the puzzle square. So like that. We do a third one like this. There we go. Oh, are you not? Why is it like this? Delete that. Delete that. Okay. Delete this. Just delete it. Just delete it. Okay. Is that enough? Probably not. So if it's not, then we can supplement it with this. So we've got times 4, we got times 3. That's not that helpful. I mean, we can get to 24. 8 times 3. Yeah. So 8. I might not need that see-through square. 8 times 3 is 12. Or 24, excuse me. And then plus 1. And now we can just go like this and go straight through. Yeah. So let's do that. That's good. Okay. That should be good enough. Oh, yeah. I have maligned these puzzle squares incorrectly. Oh, we can actually get another one of those, too. Beautiful. Get it? Get it? Got it. Good. Okay. And you can see, because our level's going up, we're actually making more per number because the level variable is going up. So 44. Let's go with 22. I'm trying to think. 42 plus 2, 6 times 7. It's getting kind of ridiculous. I think I need that 4 actually. Maybe 35 is better. So if I go 3 plus 2 is 5. Okay, we're making 5. Now I need to make 7. So let's go 3 and 3 and 1. Yeah, look how big this is getting. 3 and 3 and 1 is 7. Times the 5 is 35. But this is just to farm some money so I can pay for 4. And then if we go like that and we go like this, we can get another one. Actually keep going. Like that. There we go. That should be enough 35s that we're producing for the challenge, but I don't care about that. We're almost done with this. Maybe I can make 44. So if I can get to 11, and I have plus 4, so I need 7. No. Oh, I can get to 11. 3 times 3. Wait. Where's the best way to do this? No, let's move that down here. 3 times 3 is 9. Plus 2 is 11. Jump across to here is 44. There we go. Oh, fuck. How do I get the 3 out? Well, okay, here's what I can do. I can do this. I can get rid of that. I can go like this. Down. Over. Like this. Up that way. Just join with your friends there. And then we can draw the 3s out like so. No, undo that. Oh, not well though, can we? Rats. No, wait. Aren't these bridges? Hang on. Get rid of those. Can't I just draw? Yeah. I think I can also just go half off like that and avoid this thing. Yeah, okay. There we go. Go like that. Go like that. And now let's draw some more 3s just to flush it all out. Okay. Are we getting close? We might not be getting close. Let's see. Without 4, let me open my drink here. Okay, it's starting to come in. Starting to come in. We might have enough. Yeah. Yes. Let's mean it though, shall we? Like that. There we go. Ah, we can add to B now. That's going to double our income. Yeah, let's do that. And then do we sit here at this level or do we... Let's jump to the next level. Oh, okay. Enough with these like repetitive tutorial things. There's so many things where it's like, especially mobile games, where you're like, no ads, and then they do in-game ads for their own stuff, and it's like, I meant that too. What are you doing? Okay. So let's buy some of these. So now we're making 214. Now 52, 45. What's the dealio here? We can do 11 times 4 plus 1. Nah, 52 is, I think, easier. 13 times 4. So minus 4 is 9. Oh, there. Yeah. That's easy. 3 times 3. Go like this. Go like this. Go there. There. Is that right? 9, 10, 11, 13, 52. And like that. Yep. Okay, now we just need to draw a shit ton of 3s. Then we could do like this. We go like that. And then I can copy this. Like that. Let's get a shit ton of 3s going in. I mean, we're making money if nothing else, right? Okay. So now 45. We need to get another one of these things. 45 can be done with a 5. Oh, that's not so bad, actually. Times 9. Here we go. 9 times 5. There we go. Okay, let's do a couple of those. I need one more. Sure can. Okay. Are we doing it? We're kind of doing it. Oh, yeah. Let's have our finger on the trigger here. Ooh, I'm kind of in spitting distance of the 4. Maybe we wait. We're almost done with level 1 without the 4. There we go. And I can still finish the level. Okay. We got 4. So, do we want to finish this or do we want to jump over here? Now, over here we have... I do want like a 6. I kind of want more of this. But we have this thing which adds 0.5 to all of these. All of them, including the exponent. So that's pretty good. Plus, we're asked for 72 in both. So maybe we... Here, yeah, we could do that. So 12 times 6, right? 12 times, and times is commutative, so we don't have to worry about the order. Let's actually move this out by 1, and then I can go like that, and I can split it here. What? There we go. Okay, and then we can do another one of these. Another one. Another one. Undo. Another one. Keep going. One more. Yep. So you go like this, like that, like that, like that. There we go. Probably not enough for both. But that's okay. We are now making some money in the second group. Some euros. These are euros. I want to get up to here. I haven't seen what this is yet. How crazy this gets. But things are going a little bit faster this run. I think because I'm using my puzzle box. We had 44 before, didn't we? So 7. Wait. Let's see. Or maybe 55 is the thing I'm shooting for. 55 divided by, well, 50. 52 plus 3. 13 times 4. We're getting thick when we do that. Okay, so let's see what we can do. I can get the -1. Fair enough. I can also... I probably should have gotten this first just to double up. Okay, so what about 4 times 11? It's not great. I'm waiting to get this so I can just at least double what I'm getting over here. That's not going to help much, but it'll help something. I'm also not that close to anything over here except for maybe B. Let's actually try and get this going. So with all of this, I'm like, oh, you know what? Let's get rid of this. Can I? No. Is there a way to stop seeing the numbers? Yeah, that. Oh. Oh, right. Okay, nothing's going over there. Now we're making way more than enough here. Okay, so let's cut back on some of these. Cut back on those. Now, all we need to do is get -13. So if we go 4 times 3 plus 1 times -1 times 4. Oh, Lord, he thick. That's a chonk equation there. Times -1 times 4. Should be -52. Yep, it is. So let's get one of these going. I don't know what we're going to do for -53, though. Because we're going to need another one of these. Nope. Okay, so we're getting some of that. Let's do this. So we're tripling up. I could just add a -1, a -1 line, but that would split the already strained 52s. We're doing still over, yeah, but not that much over. Okay, what about -2 is sick, actually, because I can take care of. It's not that great. Let's see, 53. That's -54 plus 1. -54 is 27 times 2. 3 times 3 times 3 times 2. Yeah. That's nice. That's kind of nice. So if I get to -2 here. On the other hand, getting 5 wouldn't really help me with this. It would help me with this a little bit. Let's do... This is the part where I start jumping back and forth because I want to get something going here to get something going here to get something, you know, back and forth. Okay, let's get rid of this. Let's chill for a second on that, all of that. Okay, let's work on finishing this level. So 72, we know what this is. We know this is 4 times 3, that's 12, times 3 times 6. Nothing special there. 4 times 3 times 3 times 2. And we're just going to do a couple of these. Okay, and we'll do another one. Just one more. That's probably not enough, but that's fine. Let's figure out 44. We just did this, didn't we? So it's 11 times 4. So 11 is going to be 9 plus 2. Oh, yeah. Yeah, we totally just did this. 9. No. No. What did I do? It was 9 plus 2 is 11. Times 4 is 44. And we just do this. Oh god, this is so annoying. Okay. Let's go ahead and link that up. Let's keep filling this up with 3s here. I'm sort of creating my own little block here. There we go. We'll see if that works. Yeah, that totally works. So with that, I think I can add a third one of these. Okay, now 55. Oh, we can double up. Yeah, let's do that. Let's do that for sure. You can see these add 3 now because we're multiplying by 3. There you go. That's math for you. Okay, 55. So, what the hell are we doing with that? I can get 1,000. Oh, is that euros? I can get 1,000 euros. That would get me the 2. Let's try it. 3 plus 3 is 6. That is going to be 26. So the trick here is only to multiply the units digit. There we go. There we go. Look at that. You only add the units digit, and that gets you what the units digit for the final answer is. 55. Okay, let's figure this out. So we have 12. We have 9 times 6 plus 1. That's very chunky. Don't like that. What about... Let's think here. What about... Let's round it. 56, 52 plus 3. 12 plus 1 times 4 plus 3. Ugh. Do we maybe want to use this for the 55 instead? Let's look at that, actually, because 55 seems a lot harder. Let's just see. So, oh, we have an extra space. We'll put it back here. And we will, oh, we can take away one of these. And then we can take the rest of these and double them up back here. There we go. Should still be enough. 55. So, I can multiply by... Ugh, what am I doing here? 55 times... So, okay. Minus 2, minus 3. 51. That's what, 17 times 3? Wait, am I... Hang on. Hang on. Why am I saying 54? 54 is 3 times 18. That's so much easier. Oh my god. Okay. Wait, so 55 minus 1 divided by 18. Yeah. So if I can get... Okay, this is the final product here. That's going to be 55. Let's work backwards. Always. Okay. So to get to 55, we need 54, which is 18 times 3. So we need 18 coming in here. We can get 16. Oh, that's it. 4 times 4 plus 2 is 18. Yeah, that's it. Very nice. We could draw a bunch of 4s. Okay. We just need more 4s. Undo, of course. There we go. So that's 55. Now let's try and figure out 44. It shouldn't be that hard. Hang on. 3 times 3 plus 2? Plus 2 times 4. Yeah. 3 times 3 plus 2 times 4. There we go. There we go. And we can go again. Nope. Okay. We're done there. Actually, what I could do... How over am I on? I'm crazy over. Okay. Let's go like that. Let's do another one of these. Nope. Oh, I see what happened. I see what happened here. Okay. Don't let them extend onto the back here. There we go. Okay. And then I think I need 2 more rows. There we go. And that's it. We could do another one of these joke levels. Ooh, yeah, these are nice. Let's put it here between 1 and 2 and 3 so I can use those. Another quiz, we'll put that up there. Another quiz. We're making a ton of money right now. Do I jump to the next level? So it's 121, 81, and 57. Those are all doable. That's 11 squared. That's 9 squared. That's 3 times 19. Yeah, it'll be easier to farm anyways. All right, let's do it. So we make more money. So we make 453 per number. Oh, we can still do the quiz. Let's do the quiz here. Do I care about filling those out? They're kind of okay. 9, 18, 1, 2, 4. There we go. S is 3. S is 4. S is 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. Beautiful. We have... Let's just buy a bunch of that shit. Okay. On to 11 times 11. Is that actually the best way to do it? No. 120 plus 1. Oh, I need a 5 for that. Okay. Let's see. 4. Hang on. So 4 plus 4. No, sorry. 9 plus 2 is 11. Oh, I have to do that again. Nope. Let's do 3 hypercubed. That should give me 81. Nice and simple. Get some money flowing in. Let's try that again. 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Like that. We go. Okay. It's hard to spot where the edge is. Oh, see, I got it wrong. Up, so it's hanging off by a half. Undo that. Okay. Then we can do another set. Just one more. Should be enough. 57. 19 times 3. Or 56 plus 1. Four times 4 plus 3 times 3. 4 times 4 plus 3 times 3. 16, 19, 57. Nope. I think that's right. Yeah. Beautiful. Okay. Now let's see what we're doing with these little joke boxes here. I barely have enough 81s. I want to run another set of 81s. Just so I definitely have enough. Right there. It's a truncated set, but it'll have to do. Okay. Now we're definitely not making enough 57s, that's for sure. So let's do another 2 of those. Okay. So that should be those finished. Now how in the hell am I going to do 121? I guess just wait for the 5. I think that's the move. Because, so, no, it's not the move. I could do 20 times 6 is 120. Yeah, that's how it is. I have to use all of this, but that's fine. So if I go like this, can I go like way? Yeah. Okay, great. Okay, so 4 times 5 is 20. Let's go down here like this, over here like this, up there. That's 120. Here to plus 1. To here to finished. It's that simple. And now we just draw a bunch of 4s. Okay. Now we haven't left ourselves a whole lot of room. There we go. How we doing? Not quite. I can come through this gap here and actually, well, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, we're definitely doing it. Let's grab the 5 though, for safe for safe measures. My birds. Sounds like there's some wild shit out there going on. Well, let me go and see what's going on here. Okay, we're back. It was a bunch of birds outside. So, I can get to 5. I can get... I don't really care about that. Let's level up. We have 5 now. Congratulations, you have 5. Now, what do we do with all this 5-ness we've got? 2 more levels of this thing. Do we maybe jump over here and see what we can do on this side? So, we have... See, every time I do this, I'm always like, oh, but the 6 would be so good. 6 would be good, though. That's the problem. So, what if... How much do we make? 540 per number? But I think I need to get some of this stuff going. So let's bite the bullet here. So 72 is 12 times 6. So let's do that. 12 times 6 And it's too close. That's fine. We can move that. Move it out one. Over. Up. Over. Down. Down. Okay. Nope. Okay. And we could do another one. Now we can't do any negatives. Not really. Let's see though. So we can do, we have -2. So if we can get to 26. Yeah, we can totally get to 26. 5 times 5 plus 1 times -2. That's so easy. 5 times 5 plus 1 times -2. Okay, we go like that. That's going to be our 26. Easy. Okay. Oh, are we going to be able to fit in the... Yeah, perfectly fit. Look at that. Look at that. It's like I planned it that way. A little bit more. Maybe a little bit more. And then we can use our powers of puzzle squares for the -53. So, how are we doing that? If I can get to... See, the problem is I would have to introduce a new... I'd have to have 2 numbers, wouldn't I? Because I have to get the negative in there somewhere. And none of these have a negative. So, if I can get to 54 is 6 times 9. -1 times -1. See, it's so annoying. Okay. I could just do the 52 again with a -1 on it. But I don't have the space to do all that. I don't think. I'm kind of stalling because I'm making some money here. I'm only making 3 per number. That's the problem there. Okay, let's do... $54 divided by 2 is 27. Yeah, so -3 would be really nice. Maybe that's what I'm doing. Maybe I'm waiting for -3. So, I don't want to though. Let's see. If I can do... So I need 4 times 3. No, put that here. 4 times 3 is 12. Oh. No. 4 times 3 plus 1 is 13. Times, well, wait a minute. We don't want to use the bridge. Times 4 is 52. Plus 1. And then, okay, yeah. Times -1. Oh, no, 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 not there. Not there. Times -1. Like that. And then I have to do 4. And if we can get it to come down this way. This might work. Okay. So we're getting plenty of that. Now if we just do one of these guys. Might do it. Ooh, might do it. That's looking really good. Yeah. Keep going. That's very good. Got it. Got it, got it, got it, got it, got it. Delete. And we start over. Oh, these are all this. These are all numbers I've dealt with already. Okay, how did we do 121? It was 4 times 5 times 6 plus 1, right? That works. 76. 80 minus 4. 19 times 4. 60's got to be dead easy, right? 5 times 4 times 3. 5 times 4, 20 times 3 is 60. Dead simple. There you go. Just make a bunch of 60s. Good. Okay, we can do that again. Let's do one more. They're very slim. We're not using many numbers here, so that's fine. Okay. We'll see if that 60 is good enough. Maybe not. 76, 19 times 4. 15 plus 4 times 4. Seems okay. 15 plus 4 times 4. Sorry, wait. 15, sorry, that's not it. Plus 4 times 4, 57. Or 76, whatever I'm talking about here. Yep, that'll do it. Okay. Nope. There we go. Let's do another batch of that. Maybe 2, since we're going to have to go down to the half row. Okay. And then it's 121 again. And we've done this. So it's 4 times 5 times 6 times plus 1. There we go. And we just got to draw a bunch of, bunch of 4s. Good. Look at that. Level 2 is complete. We can get -3. That'd be good. Our 60s are dragging a little bit, huh? Can we fit another one in? 1, 2... No, we can't. We can build another 60, though. So let's do 5, 4, 3. Oh, wait. I don't need to put the 3 way out here. I can put it right there. So 3 times 4 times 5. Gonna be 60. Then we can AI 5 all the way up, or like that, and the 4 all the way up, and the 3. Just a little extra 60age going on in. We'll get the -3 there. Always good. Show me level 3. Yeah. Okay, let's delete all of that. We're moving right along here. Oh, you know what? I forgot how much time was in the first clip. 43 minutes. So we're at about an hour. Cool. No. Don't go out. Don't go all the way out. Okay. So let's continue on. So we got -121. Boo. Do we jump back to the first one? 139. Okay, all of these feel very like... So this is 138 is divisible by 3. 46. Oh, so it's divisible by 138 divisible by 6 times 23 plus 1. 23. How the fuck are you making that easy? Oh, yeah, this is going to need the 6, huh? What about 129? So that's 2 to the 7th plus 1. So I can go 64 times 2 plus 1. 1, 2, 3 times 2 plus 1. I guess that's not great. Okay. Undo. I've got all these up here. These aren't really that... This one's okay. Oh, no. Just these ones. And then we're also going to move this up by 1. And then we'll do another batch of that. Just to get some money flowing in while I think about the other problems. 76, we just did this. This is 19. So what was it? 4 times 4. 16 plus 3 times 4. Like that. Okay. Can't fit any more down there. That seems like some wasted space. Okay. Let's do another quiz. We'll stack them up here. 500,000's not bad. 1, 15, 35, 81, 121. One of these. 20, 23, 29, 2, 4. There we go. And then do we want these? 9, 2, 1, 3, 1. There we go. 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Got it. So we're not making enough for anything, actually. Let's focus on getting enough for something first. So enough with that. Let's just get another set of this. And it can't hang off the edge there like that. So these are all 129s. 139 is gonna suck. So I have a times 3, a times 4. So what was it? 23 times 6 plus 1. Can I get to 23 from here? Yeah. Yes, I can. Yes. 4. How am I doing that? 4 times 5 is 20. Plus 3 is 23. Times 6 is 38. Oh, 138. Plus 1. And I have to get to plus 1 in a really annoying way. I want the force to go down, so I'm gonna go up over. Okay. I think I did it though. Now, this isn't that good because, well, no, that's fine. So what I could do is move this up there like that. No. I have to, here, I can go like that. And then I need to fish this in here. Here we go. Let's go like that. And we go like this. And we go like that. In there. And now I AI connect these. There we go. There we go. All the way. How am I doing on... Oh, I don't have 76 still. That's right. Okay, never mind that. Undo, 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 undo. Okay. Let's take it downwards. Oh my god, this is so bad. I don't like that it's a quarter grid. Okay. So hopefully that's enough 139s. And now I need to put together 19. Okay, let's move this down. Like that. And instead of this, let's make this a little cleaner. Like that. Okay. 76 needs to be 19. So 4 times 4 plus 3 times 4. Okay. $720 per number is very good. We're not even close to 6. We're somewhat close to another tile, which would make a big difference. Yeah, I'm not making enough 19s. So let's do... So what is it? It's 4. We have to do it backwards. So 4 times 3, which is plus with 4 times 4. That's it. 4 times 4 plus 3. There we go. Okay, so 4. Uh-oh. Okay, so 4 times 4 is 16. Now we have 3. Like that. And 4. And we can add more to this if we need it. But hopefully, let's see how we're doing on the 76 here. It's not quite there. We can do another section. Or we'll do another section here, and then I could do this and go... There we go. That should be enough for all of our 76 needs. Come on now. Come on now. Yeah. It's taking a minute, but we're getting there. But okay, I'm gonna call it there. Just to add this to the playlist there. And we're gonna keep churning away this slowly. I have a lot of games going on right now, so I'll get to this when I get to this. But it's not dead. Nothing's dead on the channel. I'm just gonna, you know, bounce back and forth a little bit. So this has been Node Math. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time on Games I Play Anyways. Ciao.